Okay, so today we are celebrating garlic. So I'm making a pork roast with a bunch of garlic and then some sides that will also have garlic in them. I love garlic. I'm also gonna roast this pork loin with some sliced apples and some garlic in their sleeves. I learned this when I was living in Paris working at a wine bar, and my boss, who was the cook, he would always leave them garlic in sleeves and roast his pork with it, and it just gets like so creamy and sweet. It's like totally different from raw garlic, and I highly recommend it. You don't eat the skin at the end, you take the skin off, but you have to cook it with the skin. And Alison Roman talks a lot about this, so I feel like it's becoming fashionable, which is really cool. We're gonna cover this in garlic. A quarter teaspoon on one side of salt. Okay, so these are the garlics. I'm gonna leave them in their sleeves, put them in the pan. I'm also gonna add in some apples. You don't have to, I just like that sweetness. So this will cook for about an hour at 375. Might be 75 minutes. We'll just check it in like 50 minutes. Okay, we're good. Okay, so here's what I've made. It's a very simple dinner, easy weekday dinner. Pork roast with roasted apples, and then I also made some beets because I had some in the fridge, and some kale, sautéed with a little bit of garlic and salt and pepper. I wanted to just show you guys how this is, in case you've never had it before. It's like condiment almost. Like I've got my hot mustard here and my sweet roasted garlic. So this can just go away. So I got my apples here and my pork. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this garlic on. Oh my God, so good. It's really simple. It's nothing fancy, really bringing out the garlic flavor, which we love. Salt and pepper. There's a little bit of paprika in there too. It's just perfect. You can do this with any kind of roast. I really like it with pork, but you can do, roasted garlic in its sleeve with chicken, beef. It's just so good. It's sweet and it's still got that garlic flavor, but it's a lot softer. And it's, like I said, I use it kind of like a condiment. It's perfect.